Beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video. So yeah, if you've seen the past ones, we had some troubles with the battery driving down, but for the moment we have sorted that issue out and we're ready to move on. So join us on this next stretch. This is let's say road day number 3, and we're going to Spain if everything goes good. Let's see. For sure the weather is pretty good. It's windy and sunny, so let's see. Baby Helix works pretty good, and enough with the blably bloop. Something's good. Okay, done that, and now we're going to put some diesel inside Helix, and let's go. So here we are. We managed to put the diesel, filled up the baby, 60 liters almost straight, and we're ready to heat up. Mission is to go to Torre de Mbara today, which is, let me show you, hope you can see it. It's about 600 kilometers, and it will take us with this reading about 7 hours. Let's see if it's true, and if not, it's not true. But hey, let's do this. Let's go. Next step. There is warm. I saw the weather today. 20 degrees over the day. That's where I wanna be. Also, wow, it's sunny, and in the sun, also, if you are like in a kind of thermogibion like here, then it's pretty warm. Wow. I feel like the plantas there. You know? I feel good. The juice is running through my veins. No. Okay. Endurance is full, and I say bye bye, Caballon, for another year. See you next time. What is this wind actually? Hey, anybody out there? Is anybody out there? Is it a Mistral, the wind that is blowing now here? Check it out. Okay, just for the travel update, we are closing in on Montpellier. We have done about 100 kilometers of our stretch today. And feeling happy, feeling warm, and moving on. That was a try. Take a break. Anyways, drive on to the next aire. Oh, you know what? We'll just go into the evening sun. Take a break. Oh, it's been some hours. I would like to eat something. Oire. Aire. Aire. Yeah, so got myself yesterday some salads. Panaya, my mouth is watering. Some salads for the way, because I thought exactly this. We'll be going to be sitting here a long time. We have still about 300 kilometers to Barcelona, and yeah, let's say from there on to where we want to be tonight is maybe another 100. Also, I don't know why, but this time the navigation here is sending us pretty close to the, let's say, to the sea, which is a bit, I don't know, weird to last year, because it sent me last year through a part in the mountains and I will have to go through some villages, and was like, why? But hey, it's okay, it's helping us out, and yeah. And it's windy. Wow. That's it. A short but nice break. Have something in the bucket. And some water for the benzina. Also, I know water is pure energy, life source, but I would fancy a kind of say orangeade or lemonade, something like that. Okay, thanks for joining me on this break. Let's move on. Starting like a machine. Helix, I forgot to mention the boy today, but he's rocking it. We're gonna do a bit of an upgrade of this battery connector for sure in the next days, but like a tractor. For this camera, I think we would need a kind of teleoptic, but the Pyrenees are to be seen, or at least a part of it. We've seen a part of them, which means that we're closing in to Spain. I'm looking forward, but we're gonna turn basically the sunset. Beautiful moving people the next day, and we had a good drive. We came here at the place where I spent also last year sometime, which is pretty cozy, right by the beach. Let me take you there. The drive was really good. I was amazed that we went relaxed through the plains, and also was amazed that as it seems since last year there has been a lift of the toll system between the highways. Let's say from coming, let's say, near Girona until here around Tarragona, there is no maut anymore, because last year we went through like small roads and like, yeah, Landstraße. Anyways, so you see we're parked back there, and this is what we have. The beautiful Mediterranean Sea, and yeah, that's what it is. Loving it. Also, the sun showed itself today, and yeah, I guess this will be the end of this video. Thanks for sticking by till this point. Wish you a good day, and yeah, take care of yourself. Hit the subscribe if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.